The 2008 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there, and it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, power passenger seat, traction control, premium wheels, stability control, anti-lock braking system, XM satellite radio, navigation system, Bose sound system. Come take a test drive today.